How to adjust the crossbar on the CoreFlow peg tube. In the first 2 weeks after insertion, only your G-tube specialist should adjust the crossbar. After 2 weeks, you can do this as needed to help your child feel more comfortable. The crossbar should sit close to your child's skin, but it should not be too tight or too loose. Loosening the crossbar. Step 1. Holding onto the crossbar, gently slide the round piece above the crossbar up the tube. Step 2. Gently slide the crossbar itself up the tube to meet the round piece. Do not pull on the tube, as this can lead to it being accidentally pulled out of the tract and stoma. Tightening the crossbar. Step 1. Holding onto the tube, gently slide the crossbar down the tube closer to the skin. Step 2. Gently slide the round piece above the crossbar down the tube to meet the crossbar.